Hey sweet friends, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited to get this up and going. This is Hot Mess and Hot Glue. I really enjoy making farmhouse decor, modern boho styles, so why don't I just stop yammering? We'll get on with the videos and the projects. Alright, I'm a little late to the whole Valentine game. I had so many things going on, but I had so many projects also, so this was just the latest project set that I had done. I'm just taking this board from Hobby Lobby that I got on clearance. It was normally $15.99. I think I got it for like $3.50. My scrapbook paper doesn't fit perfectly, but I'm okay with that. I'm just using this Dollar Tree wreath form, I guess. It's not a wreath form, it's just a tinsel wreath. When I remove the tinsel from it, I'm actually going to use the shape of the heart behind it. So as right now, you can just see I'm removing that tinsel. Now that I've got the larger heart frame exposed, there's these just little plastic knobs that we're holding on the tinsel. So I'm just using my wire cutters. These seem to really work the best for me. And I grab it at the base of the little spike, I guess, and you just kind of give it a small twist, and it will typically just break off almost flush with the frame itself. Some of them don't do that, and to fix it I usually just go in and sand it, which you can see me doing here. I got a little rough with it and you'll see I break it, but super glue fixed it rather easy, and I was perfectly fine with it because I really like the look of that being smoothed out. I spray painted both pieces with a black matte Krylon spray paint, and I really like the way that one turned out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and, while those are drying, just going to paint the background of this sign. And I'm using Apple Barrel in a black matte just because I already had that open. I like Apple Barrel paint, just not in every application, but this one, I felt like this application was fine for that. Okay, so now that I have it painted, I'm just going back and forth between a couple of different scrapbook papers that I got at Hobby Lobby. The one here with the gold, it's one of their specialty lines. So I think it was like $1.99, but I still got it at 50% off. I just can't pay full price for just about anything, especially when it comes to DIY and home decor. I change my mind so frequently that I really just like to find it the best deal. I'm just smoothing it out here. You'll see I grab my these are some Cricut tools that I found at Target, but I realized my already opened, I think this one's actually my husband's little scraper smoother for when he does car vinyl and stuff on the side. So I'm just smoothing it out and trying to get a really nice look. My hands had a little bit of paint on them, as you can see from spray painting, and so I'm just kind of using a little eraser square that I got from the Dollar Tree to help remove that. For the rest of the project here, you just kind of see I'm just kind of playing with different designs, seeing what I like, seeing what looks good. And I feel like if I don't plan it out too much, that it actually works out better this way. You'll see I had originally looked at that gray and white striped paper, but I changed my mind on that and decided to go with this one. I like the idea of having a little bit of natural wood here and there, and I really liked putting something in this corner. It just seemed a little bit blank, and I didn't want to do another heart, so I'm just using some beads that I got on Amazon, and I'm kind of just quarter draping them across the corner here. All right, and that guy's done. So we're gonna go on to the next project. This is just an XOXO sign that we found at Dollar Tree, where I typically try to get most of my supplies. And I'm just removing the backing, and I'm not changing much about it. It has a really pretty wood grain that you can see on it, and I really wanted to keep that. I still haven't decided if I want to go back in and maybe darken that up a little bit. However, I'm kind of leaning a little bit more towards lighter, natural wood decor lately, so I don't know. I taped it off, and I'm just using a small thin layer of Mod Podge to kind of help reduce any bleeding. This is actually a technique that I saw Natalie do on Design to the Nines, and ever since I saw her do that, it's been my go-to, and I absolutely love it. So here now I'm just putting the first coat of black paint on the bottom. Again, I'm using Apple Barrel Black Matte. Okay, now that it's all dry, I'm just going to remove the tape. You can see a small sliver of wood actually came off, so I just went in and patched that up, no big deal. I really like the way this one turned out, very simple. On to the next project. Excuse me, remember the little heart form I was working on in the beginning? That was originally supposed to be part of Project 1, and then I just changed my mind, and to be honest, I'm not in love with the end product. You'll see. I'll kind of point out some of the things that I don't like towards the end. When I first tried the paper on, I had it going horizontally, and then when I glued it down, I glued it vertically, and I really just don't like that. I wanted to definitely keep this small and minimal. Off screen, you can't see me attaching this little like rub-on transfer. I've gone a little too far, so I just kind of have to roll with it. I'm just taking a piece of black string. It's a ribbon, not string. And I'm just gonna make a little kind of invisible loop in the back. This is one of my favorite ways to attach the hangers, is to just use the popsicle sticks, sandwich the string between them, and then just overkill the hot glue and just triple secure the string itself. I kind of like some things I like to have hidden as far as like the hangers are concerned. You can kind of see the finished project there, and here is how they all turned out. Tell me what you think. This is that last finished project. I'm just not in love with the raw unfinished edges, so I'm thinking I'm gonna go in and add just some kind of border or, frame to the whole thing. But overall, what I really liked about this was that I feel like I could use it year round. I don't think it's necessarily very specific to Valentine's Day. If I really wanted to stick it in the hallway or with our, photo collage or anything like that, or even in the master bedroom, I think it would work out great. That's it for today's video. I'll be working on some St. Patrick's Day and Easter stuff coming up. And again, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please hit that like button, please subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified anytime I make a new video.